back to my class. We have Igbo language. Still on our topic that says preposition. Yes, mbuzo in Igbo. Under preposition, we are going to look into a topic that says outside. Class, repeat after me. Say outside. Yes, outside in Igbo it means nampota. Again, nampota. Yesterday we learned about inside. Yabu n'ime. That is the opposite of it. We are going to look into opposite of inside. That is outside. Nampota. Nampota. You can see that this is letter M. Letter M. Letter M and letter N. We call them in Igbo unyirudume. Unyirudume. We treat them equally. They work as vowels. They work as vowels. Vowel letters. You can see that we put apostrophe before the letter M. Vowel alike. We call them vowel alike. They are two letters. Letter N and letter M. Two of them, we call them Yirudume in Igbo. In English, we call them vowel alike. Okay, since we have known that outside means nampota in Igbo, let's continue. You can see these two objects. This one is a plate, while this is a cup. You can see that this cup is outside the plate. It's not inside. Like we saw it yesterday. It is outside. It is not inside. Let's see them in sentences. Sentence number 1A says, cup is outside the plate. Class, say it. Cup is outside the plate. In Igbo, it means Ikodi nampota afere. Ikodi nampota afere. You can see the cup and see the plate. Second example, you can see this church and you can see this Mazi Okonkwo. Let's see it in sentence. Sentence 2A says, Mazi Okonkwo is outside the church. Class, repeat after me. Mazi Okonkwo is outside the church. Class, can I ask you, is Mazi Okonkwo inside the church? Is Mazi Okonkwo inside the church? Class? No. Mazi Okonkwo is outside the church. You can see him standing outside, waving his hand to someone. In Igbo, it means Mazi Okonkwo no na mpụta ụlọ ụka. Mazi Okonkwo no na mpụta ụlọ ụka. Ndị klas, ka m jụọ unu, Mazi Okonkwo ọ nọ n'ime ụlọ ụka? Mba. Mazi Okonkwo nọ na mpụta ụlọ ụka. That is, Mazi Okonkwo is outside the church. You have now known the difference between inside and the outside. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.